Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device. Check Bgmi login and note your current DNS so you can revert if needed. Once done, pick a trusted DNS provider with low latency and gaming-focused servers. Make sure it supports both IP4 and IP6. Now open your device network settings, Wi-Fi or mobile APN, and access the DNS fields. Change only the DNS entries, leaving IP and gateway untouched. This minimizes disruption. You're ready to apply you enter the primary and secondary DNS values in the network profile. If your provider gives IP6, add that too. Once saved, flush the device DNS cache and fully close Bgmi, then relaunch the game to let it re-resolve servers. Next, run a quick ping and an nslookup or dig to the game domain to verify resolution and measure latency. If latency improves, keep the new settings. If not, switch to the backup DNS you documented and retest. You finish by rebooting the device and playing Bgmi for at least 10 to 15 minutes to confirm stability. Make sure matchmaking and voice chat behave normally. If you encounter lag or failed resolutions, revert to your saved original DNS immediately, then try an alternate provider or server region. One key troubleshooting tip: run a traceroute to the game servers to see where packets slow down. This identifies ISP routing versus DNS problems. Adjust DNS or contact your provider based on those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.